I love this slime that my friend gave to me. She makes slime herself, and she makes the best slime in the world. No, I think she bought this slime because there is a sticker on the bottom, so I think she bought it. Okay, yeah, she definitely had to buy this, or it was either Aurelia or Lid, but I think she bought it. It's so awesome looking at slime because all my other slimes dried out. Because the ones that I got from school were like putty and they all dried out. And then the other ones that I had were from Poopsie Slime, which were those unicorn things, the unicorn slimes, which was Poopsie Surprise, or Poopsie Slime. I think it was Poopsie Surprise. Yeah, it's Poopsie Surprise. So, yeah. Oh, when I am only when I am there on my own, and I wake up and I don't say your name on the phone. No, I didn't. It feels so awesome, and it's such a big slime, and I really appreciate what my friend does for me, and she takes time out of her day just to do it for me. And I really appreciate that because all my other friends, Emily and Isabel, I'm not gonna tell you because if they have YouTube, I don't really want them looking because there's a specific thing that I need to tell them before they look. So, I mean, like, I'll tell you guys in the comments. If they see it, oh well. They're not gonna be my friend. My bad. I'm already... Okay, never mind. Okay, I'll just tell you in the comments. Bye.